So last time Lati was on sale, I made a Wengi and Lati chessboard because the two woods just go so perfectly together. I didn't film it because it was just a personal project, but it got kind of popular on social media, so I'm going to build another one to show you how I do it. I've got a piece of Lati and Wengi. Both are 5 inches wide by 36 inches long by about 3/4 inch thick. We're going to cut those down to 4 strips each at 2 inches wide and about 18 inches long. You want to be careful when you're working with Wengi because it's very splintery. Here is splinter number 1, and I forgot to turn the camera back on after this. Now we're going to clean up the strips on the jointer and planer. And our nice big 20-inch planer is down for maintenance, so I get to use a little Oliver, which I'm not mad about. Here is splinter number 2. Little hack I like to use sometimes. Once I have 3 sides surfaced, I will double stick tape them together and run them through the planer to make sure all the strips are the same width. Oh, and look at that, splinter number 3. Before I do the glue up, I like to use one of the strips to set a stop block or the fence so that when I cut the second set of strips, they're the exact same width. Because the big planer's down, I'm going to be super careful with this glue up so then I can just clean it up on the drum sander. After another careful glue up, we're back at the drum sander. Hand sand up to 220. Then we're going to mark and drill some holes to install some jewelry box feet from Brusso. I chamfered the edges on the router table. I forgot to show that. It was a last minute decision at the end of the day. Finish it up with a little hemp oil, and you're ready to end some friendships with chess.